Hello friends, in this video I will show you an easy to use RF module. It comes with this 4 channel remote control and no pairing is required. You can use it without an Arduino or you can integrate it into your Arduino projects. I will demonstrate both methods. This module is useful for short distance RF communication for domestic and industrial purpose. This is a 315 MHz RF module receiver. The first pin is GND, the second pin is 5V for DC power input. The next 4 pins are D0, D1, D2 and D3 as output pins. Here you can connect an antenna. This is the 315 MHz remote and that comes with the receiver. It is a 4 channel RF remote. It is powered by a 23A battery. It has an LED indicator that lights up when a button is pressed. Now I will connect 4 LEDs to the receiver circuit. I am using a breadboard for this. The connection is very simple. The LED positive pins are connected to D0, D1, D2 and D3. The LED negative pins are connected to GND. I am using red and blue wires for the power supply. I am connecting 5V DC to the 5V and GND pins. And it's ready. The 4 LEDs light up when I press the buttons on the remote. If you want to control a motor or any other device in your project, you can use a relay module instead of LEDs. Now I will connect the module to an Arduino and show you how to use it with Arduino. Connect the RF receiver's 5V pin to the Arduino's 5V pin and GND to GND. Connect two output pins of the receiver to Arduino pins D2 and D3. The GPIO pins connection depends on your code. Additionally, connect an LED to Arduino pin 13 and GND. I have written a simple code to control an LED on digital pin 13. If D2 is high, the LED turns on. If D3 is high, the LED turns off. You can download the code from the video description. As you can see, it is working properly. According to the product description, its range is about 5 meters. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video.